Hello everyone, we welcome you all to the Goodlife Technologies Private Limited. Centerfilling Cake Depositor Cum Injector. Goodlife presents its multi-purpose Cake Depositor Cum Centerfilling Injector. It can be used for either depositing cake dough or injecting cream, chocolate, jam in the center of cakes post-baking. Various viscosity of dough can be handled in the machine. Muffins dough can be deposited at high speed with minimum weight variation. We can also move the table up-down for easy detachment of dough. Bar cakes can also be deposited by long movement of tray while depositing. There is also a single operator mode in the machine. Only one person can load the tray in the machine and can also collect the tray from the operator side. By fixing special injecting nozzles, the same machine can be used for injecting cream in the center of muffins. Other items like chocolate paste, glaze or jam can also be injected in the muffins. Multipoint injections are also possible for long products. The machine can easily be cleaned with hot water after use. For more details, please visit our website or call on given numbers. Also, follow us on social handles to get daily updates of our new products and technologies.